What's going on today, YouTube? Rob here. In today's video, I'm opening up the brand new Legendary Duelist Season 3 display box. This set is actually really cool. It comes with a lot of really fan favorite cards of mine, like the Evil Heroes, and it comes with a lot of really cool cards for Bakura as reprints, and it comes with some really cool dice as well. Before we get started, I just want to say, if you're new to the channel, consider leaving a like, consider commenting, and subscribe for more fun Yu-Gi-Oh videos, and turn on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get into it. Alright guys, let's get into this Legendary Duelist Season 3 display opening. This set is actually really cool. It comes with a lot of really neat support, and a lot of really cool reprints, I should say, rather than support, for stuff like Heroes and, Bakura's Fiend style. I think there's Destiny board in here. There's the Evil Heroes, which is personally one of my favorite archetypes. But yeah, let's open this up and see what else we can pull. And I know there's also dice in here as well. So let's just open up everything, see what our promos are, what our dice are. Got a black die so far. Ooh, Sunrise as our promo card. That's awesome. Let's see what our next box holds. We've got Curse Necrofear, which is pretty awesome as well. And we've got the blue Neos die. So that's really cool. Along with our packs. Next up. Now, honestly, I kind of prefer the EU packaging of this stuff. I find it's just a little easier to just sort through, to go through, because you don't have these giant boxes. All you really have is like a dual overload pack, or like that box style. And then we've got, ooh, Kaiser Glider Golden Burst. That's awesome. We've got the red Hero Signal die. That is fantastic. Oh, come on. There we go. Well, we've got the lighter blue die, which is awesome. Another Sunrise, which is really cool. Let's see what we have next. Let's open it from this side. We've got another black die, which is pretty cool. And we've got Mystical Elf White Lightning. It's a really neat card. Maybe I'll read that later. Oh, we've got another orange die, or red Hero Signal die. And we've got Predaplant Trifoverdum, which is pretty neat as well. 2 more boxes to go, and then we'll actually get to opening our packs. Ooh, we got the pink die. Or purple, I guess. It's more purple than it is pink. Who's on it? Oh, Dark Magician. That is awesome. And we've got Glydia, the D-Knight Soul Spear. That's neat. I like the artwork on that. And let's open up this last box and then get to these packs. So we've got another black die, 2 packs, and another Kaiser Glider. So not bad on our promos. I'm not sure how many dice come, how many colored dice come in the set, but I think that's all of them. I could be wrong. But let's get these packs open and see what we managed to pull. Personally, I'm hoping to see if we can pull a lot of the Evil Hero stuff in here, and even just a lot of the Dark Magician support or reprints. So we've got Pendulum Dimension, which is pretty neat. Dark Fusion, card I really like. Earthbound Immortal Karahua. Ooh, Evil Hero Malicious Fiend, that's awesome. Spirit Message A. Evil Hero Adusted Gold, that's great. Hero Signal, Dark Spirit of Banishment. Dark Calling, Offering to the Immortals. Evil Hero Infernal Prodigy with the, I believe that's blue, maybe purple writing. That is cool as well. Then we've got Earthbound Immortal Revival. Tuning with red writing, which is pretty neat. A Hero Lives. Earthbound Immortal Kachu Kalua. Zoma the Spirit. Synchro Chase. And Earthbound Linewalker, which is really cool as well. So far, not a bad first pack. Let's see what the rest of them hold. Got Performapal Popper Up. Earthbound Immortal Kapakapu. Another Malicious Fiend, which is pretty cool. Predaponics. Puppet Parade. Ooh, that is actually wicked. Evil Hero Wild Cyclone with the red writing, and just, I believe that's an alternate artwork for the card. I could be wrong on that, but that is awesome. We've got Satellite Synchron, Miracle Fusion, Magician's Circle, Hero Flash, Dark Necrofear with the blue writing. It's really neat. Fire Ant Ascator. What? Dark Magician Girl with the alternate art, one of her alternate arts? That is awesome. This is probably one of my favorite artworks for Dark Magician Girl, besides the classic, because I think the classic is the best. But this one's really neat as well. I've got Dark Spirit of Malice, followed by Sun Dragon Inti, Skyscraper, which is a favorite of mine, Magician's Rod, and Call of the Earthbound, which is really neat as well. And we've got Gagaga Magician, followed by Sentence of Doom, Spirit Message A, Magician of Dark Illusion, it's really cool, Earthbound Geoglyph, we've got Practice, which is awesome, Earthbound Greater Linewalker, Spirit Message N, Scrap Iron Signal, Predaplant Drosophilium Hydra, probably butchered that. We've got Ascator Dawnwalker, that's awesome. Oversoul, another personal favorite of mine. Earthbound Immortal Casilu. Ooh, Performapal Crystal Magician with the red writing. That is awesome. And then we have Oracle of the Sun, Predaplant Dracostapelia, Skyscraper, and Magician's Rod. Now, honestly, I'm not 100% sure on if it's in this set. I don't remember. But I would like to see some of the elemental heroes, but with the darker artwork. We've got Predaprime Fusion, Gimmick Puppet Terror Baby, number C15, Gimmick Puppet Giant Hunter, Predaponics, Earthbound Immortal Kapakapu, Sangan. That's an awesome, really cool preprint. We've got Jaugen the Spiritualist, Spirit Message Eye, Neospatian Aquadolphin, Hero Flash, Evil Hero Malicious Edge. Ooh, we've got Ebon Illusion Magician with the red writing. That actually looks really cool. I like that. It just kind of pops, for me anyway, on the Black Xyz cards. Then we've got Ebon High Magician, tuning in blue writing this time rather than red, which is really cool. Earthbound Wave, Dark Spirit Mastery, and Earthbound Immortal Uru. And lastly, Roar of the Earthbound Immortals. I've got another Earthbound Immortal Kapakapu, Evil Hero Malicious Fiend, Predaponics, Puppet Parade, Earthbound Immortal Asla Piscu, which is really cool, Jaugen the Spiritualist, Emergency Call, Destiny Board. I think we just need Spirit Message L now, maybe N. We've got Supe, Junk Converter. That's awesome with the blue writing. We've got another Ebon High Magician, Earthbound Immortal Revival. What? Elemental Hero Honest Neos with the red writing? That is dope. That is actually awesome. We've got Generation Next, Zoma the Spirit, Gimmick Puppet Biscuit Doll, Secrets of Dark Magic, and another Sun Dragon Inti. So we're almost halfway through this, I would say. And I've got some pretty good cards. Some really neat stuff. We've got Earthbound Geoglyph, followed by Magician Navigation, R Righteous Justice. We've got Predaplant Calamito Sundew, Dark Sanctuary. Ooh, Evil Hero Wild Cyclone once again. Same thing though with the red writing. Spirit Message N, Destiny Board, Satellite Synchron. That's really cool. Supreme King's Castle. That is an awesome card. Predaplant Chimera Rafflesia with purple writing. So that's really neat. Winged Karibo. Gurnia. Really cool card used by Bakura. Another Earthbound Immortal. Chahu Chalua. Zoma the Spirit. Synchro Chase. Earthbound Blindwalker. And Call of the Earthbound. So that's really neat. Next up, we've got Ultimate Earthbound Immortal, Dodo Dwarf, Go 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 Glove, Earthbound Geoglyph, Magician Navigation, Earthbound Immortal Alapiscu, but with the red writing. That is awesome. I've got Predaplast, Offering to the Immortals, Supe, Spirit Message N, Destiny Board. We've got Dark Necrofear. I think that's our second one. So really cool. Oh, Oversoul, tuning in blue once again. Starving Venom Fusion Dragon, which is really awesome. A Hero Lives. Earthbound Immortal Chaku Chalua, Zoma the Spirit, and Synchro Chase. I've got Preda Prime Fusion, which is awesome. Gimmick Puppet Terror Baby. C15, Gimmick Puppet Giant Hunter. Predaponics, Earthbound Immortal Kapakapu, Sanyan, with blue writing this time, which is really cool. We've got Hero Flash, Evil Hero Malicious Edge, Moondragon Quilla, number C88, Gimmick Pupper Disaster Leo. We've got Predaplant Chimera Fleesia, Excel Synchron, Earthbound Immortal Kasilu, Satellite Warrior, but with red writing. That is awesome. That's actually really cool. Favorite Hero, Oracle of the Sun, Predaplant Dracos Stapalio once again, and H Heated Heart. So I think that gives us every hero letter. If not, I think we just need R. Let's see if we can pull it. Oh, there it is. There's our Righteous Justice. Predaplant Calamados Sundew. Dark Sanctuary. Evil Hero Malicious Fiend. Practice, but with the red writing. That is awesome. Spirit Message L. Scrap Iron Signal. Earthbound Greater Linewalker. Miracle Fusion, which is really neat. Sun Dragon Killa. Junk Converter, once again. Magistry Alchemist, it's cool. Gurnia, but with blue writing this time, so that's neat. Gimmick Puppet Gigantus Doll. Gimmick Puppet Bisque Doll. Generation Next. Oh, Diabound Colonel, that is awesome. Really cool card used by Bakura. And Preda Planning to round off that pack. We've got Earthbound Immortal Kapakapu, Puppet Parade, Predaponics, Zubaba Bancho Gagaga Coat, number C15, Gimmick Puppet Giant Hunter, Sangan in Blue. We've got Earthbound Greater Linewalker, Spirit Message N, Scrap Iron Signal, Predaplant Drosophilum Hydra, Ebon Illusion Magician once again, but this time just regular gold writing. And we've got Excel Synchron, Magistry Alchemist, Evil Hero Lightning Golem. This is one of my favorite evil heroes, and with the red writing, that is amazing. We've got Earthbound Whirlwind, Call of the Earthbound, Gimmick Puppet Bisque Doll, and Secrets of Dark Magic. So what I'm really hoping we can do with the remainder of these packs is pull enough cards to make that Evil Hero deck. Yeah, it might not be the most competitive. It'll be maybe a bit more of a casual deck, but I love Evil Heroes. And I just find it's really fun, and they're really neat to use. We've got Preda Prime Fusion, Gimmick Puppet Terror Baby, Gimmick Puppet Giant Hunter, Predaponics, Evil Hero Wild Cyclone in red writing, which is neat. We've got Jaugen the Spiritualist, Spirit Message I, Neospatian Aqua Dolphin, Hero Flash, Evil Hero Malicious Edge, Dark Magical Circle. That is an awesome reprint as well. Really neat. Earthbound Immortal Kasilu, Magician of Chaos. That is cool as well, with the blue writing on a ritual. Then we've got Magician's Robe, another Starving Venom Fusion Dragon, Favorite Hero, Oracle of the Sun, and Generation Next. We've got Gagaga Magician, followed by Performapal Popper Up, Earthbound Immortal Kapakapu, Evil Hero Malicious Fiend, Predaponics, Practice, which is really neat with the red writing, Earthbound Immortal Warachka Raska. That's the first of him. Spirit Message I. Neospatian Aqua Dolphin. Evil Hero Infernal Sniper. That is amazing, and I love the artwork on all the evil heroes. Really, just like they're obviously dark counterparts. Evil Hero Inferno Wing with the blue writing is absolutely amazing as well. But as I was saying, like, yes, they're evil counterparts of the regular heroes, but I just find their artwork is top notch. Like, that's just amazing. Ebon High Magician, Tuning, Future Drive, it's cool. Dark Spirit of Malice, Earthbound Whirlwind, Call of the Earthbound, and Gimmick Puppet Bisque Doll. So I'm hoping we can manage to pull all of the Evil Hero Fusion monsters. At least all the main Evil Hero counterparts. But if not, that's okay too. We've got Puppet Parade, Predaponics, Zubaba Bancho Gagaga Coat, Gimmick Puppet Giant Hunter, Perform Puppet, Predapractice in red writing, that is pretty neat, Hero Signal, Predaplant Dorosophilum Hydra, Emergency Call, Revival of the Immortals, Dark Magic Circle, but with the blue writing, Oversoul, Tuning, Magician's Rod, Supe Duskwalker, Predaplanning, Heated Heart, and Predaplant Heliomorph Niches. I don't know, I probably butchered that. But man, oh man, so far we've had pretty good pulls, I would say. Let's keep it going though. Gimmick Puppet Terror Baby, Gimmick Puppet Giant Hunter, Predaponics, Earthbound Immortal Kapakapu. Ooh, Evil Hero Dark Gaia. So there's another one. That's really neat. Then we've got Archfiend Empress with the blue-purple, I think it's blue, more than purple, blue writing, we'll say. Moondragon Killa, Gimmick Puppet Disaster Leo, Emergency Call, Supe, Predaplant Chimera Flesia, that gives us a playset of that. Another Earthbound Immortal Cassilu, Ebon High Magician, another Satellite Warrior, that's really cool still, with red writing again, so not terrible. I would have preferred maybe a different color, but hey. Predaplant Dracostapelia, Synchro Chase, Earthbound Linewalker, and Predaplanning to round off that pack. And we're down to our last box of our packs. So we've got Puppet Parade, Predaponics, Zubaba Bancho Gagaga Coat, number C15, Gimmick Puppet Giant Hunter, Perform Puppet, Quick Draw Synchron with the blue writing, actually looks really cool, Dark Spirit of Banishment, Predaplast, Offering to the Immortals, Supe, Spirit Message N, and Dark Magical Circle once again, Ebon High Magician, Dark Magician Girl with red writing, and the alternate artwork, which is amazing. Would have been nice if they had multiple different alternate artworks, but hey. And I mean just in the set. Skyscraper, Magician's Rod, Gimmick Puppet Gigantus Doll, and Heated Heart. And our last pack, so let's see what sort of cards we can get. We've got Earthbound Immortal Karahua, Malicious Hero, or Evil Hero Malicious Fiend, Spirit Message A, Earthbound Immortal Kapakapu, Puppet Parade, Magician's Combination, that's cool, Dark Calling, Evil Hero Malicious Edge, Moondragon Killa, Hero Flash, Earthbound Immortal Rorochka Raska, Apprentice Illusion Magician. That's awesome in the red artwork, or red text. That's really cool. We've got Earthbound Immortal Revival, Dark Magician Girl in blue writing this time. That gives us a playset of her, which is really neat. We've got Magician's Robe. I think that's a playset of that as well. Favorite Hero, Oracle of the Sun, and another Predaplant Dracostapelia to round off this opening for Legendary Duelist Season 3. And just to show, I think we did manage to pull... Oh, no, we didn't. We pulled... Did we? Yeah, no. We were missing this orange dice here, but we have everything else, and I think this die, the Dark Magician Girl die, is an extra die. So we didn't manage to pull all of them, but that's okay. We did manage to pull pretty much all of them, and we pulled the extra die, which is really cool. But yeah, that's it for this opening. Highlighted by, like I said, a whole bunch of different cool cards. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I know I did. I like the fact that we did manage to pull quite a few different evil heroes, because like I said at the beginning, they're a fan favorite of mine. We also managed to pull all of the Destiny board letters, and we did also pull some really cool cards nonetheless. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to leave a like, comment on what your favorite card out of this set was, and if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And as always, I will catch you in the next one. That's game!